Dear students, do you know what is the duty of gardener? The gardener duty is to grow plants. Now we will search the second form of verb of grow, and yes, it is grew. The gardener grew some beautiful roses. Now next fill in the blank is I dash to him on the telephone. What we do with the telephone? Yes, we speak on the telephone. So now we will search second form of verb of speak. Yes, have you found? Second form of verb of speak will be spoke. So answer will be spoke. I spoke to him on the telephone. Now next fill in the blank is the boys a sand castle on the beach. The boys dash a sand castle on the beach. Dear students, do you know the meaning of castle? Castle means a large building. And what we do whenever we go on the beach? We build a sand castle. What was the meaning of build? Build means construct. Now we have to find out second form of build, which is built. So answer will be built. The boys built a sand castle on the beach. Now number 7 sentence is we dash to bear cubs in the zoo. When we go in zoo, we see different animals. So action will be see. Bear cubs in the zoo. We saw 2 bear cubs in the zoo. What will be the second form of verb of see? Yes, have you found? Second form of verb will be saw. We saw 2 bear cubs in the zoo. Now number 8, filling the blank is the thief dash the money from the till. Dear student, do you know who is thief? Thief is a person who steals another person's property. Is called thief. So what is the action of thief? Is stealing. Now we will find second form of verb of steal. What is the second form of verb of steal? It is stole. The thief stole the money from the till. Now number 9, fill in the blank is the sun dash at 6 o'clock yesterday morning. Dear students, in morning time sun rises. So now we will find second form of verb of rise. What is the second form of rise? Rose. So answer will be rose. The sun rose at 6 o'clock yesterday morning. Now number 10, filling the blank is the burglar dash quietly into the house. What is the meaning of burglar? A burglar is a person who enters a house by force. Dear students, a burglar is a person who enters a house by force. And what is the action of burglar? The action of burglar is creeping quietly in the house. And what is the meaning of creep? The meaning of creep is moving slowly. So now we will find second form of verb of creep. And what is second form of verb of creep? It is crept. So answer will be crept. The burglar crept quietly into the house. Dear student, our topic is completed now, and I hope you all are understood well. Take care and Allah Hafiz.